To my channel. If you are new to my channel, I just want to thank you for clicking on my channel. And if you are a returning subby, of course, you got my heart, and I want to say thank you for supporting me. So today I am here with another unboxing. So this one kind of like, it made me feel kind of special. So long story short, I did not get emails saying that I had to resubscribe to High Maintenance. For whatever reason, Yahoo did not get these messages to me. I did not get them. I reached out to High Maintenance. They were really supportive, and they were really great with their responses on trying to help me figure out what happened. So the bad thing is mixed up emails, and it was essentially my fault because I didn't get the emails. They did their part. I just didn't get them. So I expressed that I was, so hurt. And I was, because, you know, I like High Maintenance boxes. I think their boxes are dope. So I was upset because they already changed from monthly to bi-monthly. So it's like, oh my God, if I miss this month, I'm going to have to wait 2 more months. So yeah, I was kind of upset. So they reached back out to me and said, well, we have a few left and we'll send you one to review. My heart was like, oh my gosh. So I want to shout out to High Maintenance for sending me my box to review. And you didn't have to do that. So to my queens out at High Maintenance, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate it. And for those who do not know what High Maintenance is, well, High Maintenance is a natural hair subscription box. They too send you about 5 full-size products each month. Sorry, not each month anymore. It's bi-monthly now. And that way they implemented the bi-monthly so that people could have more time to utilize their hair products. So yeah, they're about $25 a month, $16.99 plus shipping. So rounds about to about $25 bi-weekly. So that's only 6 times a year you're charged. I feel like that's dope. So that's what I'm gonna unbox with y'all today. Y'all know I just love their boxes. It's so red. I love red and black. So this just like talks to me. It says, hey sexy. How you doing? That's how I say to me. So let me take this seal off. Alright, like I told you, red box, the sexy red shiny box. As always, they put their beautiful little card in here, High Maintenance. Alright, ooh. Let's first start off. This is Hibiscus Leave-In Conditioner. Oops, I made it spill out a little bit. Whoops. Okay. Hibiscus Leave-In Conditioner. Yep. Hibiscus conditioner. And then we have whipped body and hair butter. Ooh, got the little High Maintenance on there. Fabulive. Got some Aunt Jackie's moisturizing co-wash cleanser. These are the little sample packs. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Hair better be extra clean with these. And we have the Rosemary Matcha Green Tea Deep Conditioner. Oh, by the Product Junkie Naturals. See, I was going to get this, and I got it now. See, now I can use it. Oh, my God. This was like really talking to me because I really literally was just about to buy this because I've just been trying to buy stuff. See, take my debit card away because I just keep buying stuff. Oh, my God. Okay, so this is the Product Junkie Naturals Creamy Whipped Flexi Gel Buttercream. Their products are bomb. I've read so many good reviews, so many great reviews from the Product Junkie Naturals line. So yes, I'm definitely gonna have to. Ooh. Oh, hold on. I lied to y'all. It's 8 packs. 8 packs of the I'm sorry, Aunt Jackie's Purify Me Moisturizing Co-Washing Cleanser. 8 packs. 8 packs. Sorry, guys. And then we have Aunt Jackie's Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo. You know, they so cute at High Maintenance because they always throw something cute in there. So the High Maintenance girls get 10% off your first order from Fabulife. And this basically just the melted product rescue. It's kind of like a hair recipe to some goodness. And then my natural is fabulous. Aunt Jackie's little post-its. So cute. I love the afro and the curls in the afro. It's so cute. And then they have just a little bit about Aunt Jackie's in here. A little bit of the things that they, you know, their hairline. Aunt Jackie's hair journey. Whoops. That's it. So, let me tell you. I am feeling real blessed right now that they took the time out to send me this box to review and open it for you guys. So I'm just gonna let High Maintenance know that y'all got my heart right now. I'm feeling all fluttery. I'm feeling all like, ooh. It was dope of y'all to send me this box. So I'm definitely gonna tell you now that I'm just gonna be trying to see how this Flexi gel gonna be working all up on my hair. Because I'm going to let y'all know my hair is really dirty. I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks. I know, 2 weeks. Oh, I know. Oh, don't kick me while I'm down. But I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash it. I've been having a lot of things going on at home. And I just been like bombarded with like life events. Life, okay? Something. I don't have anything from me. The next time I upload will be my first story time. And I told y'all I was going to come with a story time. And guess what? I'm taking y'all back to when I was a kid. A little bit of my ratchet days. So you can't judge me off my ratchet days when I was younger. I mean, you know, we all have a little bad side to us one time or another in our life. So I'm going to take it back a couple of years. Maybe like 10 years. And tell y'all how I was a bad teenager. I was bad. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Maybe like in the next day or so. And like I said, I don't have anything else from me to you. Be blessed. Stay blessed. And I will catch you queens in my next video.